Hello friends, I'm your English coach Shashi Shayar. Once a Chinese and Indian man were traveling by a train and suddenly a mosquito sat on Chinese head. Chinese man picked up it and it. The Indian man who was sitting beside him, after some time he picked up another mosquito and indicate to the Chinese man and said, "लेगा क्या?" So Indian are very clever and intelligent. So I hope that you can learn easily. You can capture everything easily because you are very intelligent. So most often a question that I am asked that can grammar help us to be fluent in English? So with the answer I am here in this video. Can the grammar help to be fluent in English? Let us understand how. Does it help or not? Yes, of course. If you are from that area where the English speaker is not, no one is there who can speak English, who is speaking English. So what kind of environment we want to be fluent in English? The environment where most of the people are speaking English. If in that area you are, obviously you don't need to learn grammar rules because it is your mother tongue. Everyone is speaking there. But if you are from that area where no one is speaking in English, no one is talking in English, it means you have to learn the grammar rules first of all. I am from that area where no one can speak English. So I followed grammar rules more and more. And English related videos, English newspaper, English movie, and most of the time I prefer watching any kind of movie in English language. If you once capture the meaning of the sentences, the interest will automatically come and you will be interested to watch movie or anything else you are watching in your device. So please, there are two things. First one, if you are from that area where no one is speaking English, no one is communicating in English, you must follow the grammar rules. But if you are from that area where everyone is speaking English, no need to learn grammar rules. So dear friends, please make sure that you must subscribe this channel and like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.